I wish I could draw, but I don't have any artistic talent at all. Have you ever said these words? There's good news. Anyone can learn to draw. It's not some mysterious talent that you're either born with or not. It's just a matter of learning where to draw the lines. And with Ruzaimi, you can learn how to draw from the comfort and convenience of your computer. Our easy-to-follow stop-motion videos make it easy to for anyone. Formed in 2014 by Dr. Ruzaimi, the philosophy behind the platform is that when you equip people with drawing skills, you give them the fundamentals of visual communication skills. Want to try your hand at anime? Draw caricatures of your friends and family? Maybe you're more into nature or landscape or perspective. At Ruzaimi, you can learn to draw thousands of different things. Demo our free lessons and then discover thousands more projects as a premium subscriber. You'll be shocked at how affordable it is. Learn to draw at your own time, at your own pace, in your own place.